Hi, my name is Santi, and I used to have this really weird job where I got to see more than 180 manufacturing facilities across the US, Mexico, and then Australia. And they all had the exact same bottleneck. But they say an image says more than 1,000 words, so let me show you what I mean.
Our line is down. I know the symptoms, but not the cause or who can fix it before the next shift.
I can solve it. The problem is, I may never even see the opportunity. And how will I commit to a job? I need to be paid to allocate my time.
Well, thanks a lot for that, Ben. VELTACT is an industrial problem to project engine built around 3 stages: find, connect, and deploy. It takes an unclear industrial requirement and turns it into a qualified, commercially committed project with the help of pinch payments. Finds starts with a real problem. Instead of expecting factory team to already know the diagnosis or supplier category, they simply describe what is happening, add the location, urgency, and budget, and upload photos or any sort of evidence, and AI uses it to structure it into the document that we're going to use to find the right suppliers. You can also look at ISO or the different needs for this sort of opportunity. Now look at that. It found me 3 suppliers. One of them is a 95% match. One of them is a little too far, so I'm just not going to reach out to them. I can send them a link, SMS, or email. So here on this part, I can copy a link to send it on an email or manually send it. This is what the supplier would look like so that they can fill in the form. For the sake of this demo, I just already had some data to make the process a little more simple. Basically, as you can see, it's mimicking as if the supplier had responded as fast as possible. They could do this on their phone or from an actual computer from the sales team. And now the factory has different suppliers they can actually compare. So if you see there, I can select Harbor Industrial Automation with a 95%. It seems to be cheaper, $12,800, and it will be available on the 31st. What actually ties the whole thing together is the pinch payment. As you can see, now I can commit. Since a lot of these companies have really small teams and a small amount of resources, the more they can get commitments, it actually helps the project move forward, which takes us to the last step. In the deployment, you can actually know what stage your project is at, which will be triggered by the commitment with a payment. Thank you so much. And that is about it for this specific feature. And on a final note, please don't sue me for using lower image and likability. This is all for comedic purposes only. Have a nice day.